So just to kind of get my day started, I'm going to read a little bit of my book, The Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. This is so good so far, you guys. And then while I read, instead of having coffee this morning, I might have some later, but I'm just going to have some orange juice to kind of get my vitamin C this morning. And so yeah, I'll check back in with you guys after. So I'm pretty much ready. I have my makeup done and my hair done. I'm probably gonna change my shirt, keep these shorts on, and then just slip on some flip-flops and probably a sweatshirt because it's kind of cold out today. So I have to go take Skye out. I'm gonna bring you guys along on my morning routine this morning. I've already done a lot of what I do, which is my makeup and my hair. I don't really do much just because it's just college and I'd rather just be lazy. So yeah, let's go.
I need new flavor, reason to throw my game, not really why I came. Oh, do me a favor, pour me another glass, pour hearts that never last. Oh, take me, I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a lover instead, for someone I appreciate, and everybody cross my way. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a lover instead, for someone I appreciate, and everybody cross my way. I love that I don't know your name. Oh no, I never meant to misbehave. Something about you makes me crave. You really are a different taste. I love that I don't know your name.
Good morning. You sleepyhead. So it's 8:15. This is usually the time that I try to leave by. Here you go, baby. Here you go. There you go. Get you a drink. No. So it is 8:15. We're doing pretty good on time today. This is my outfit of the day. Just a sweatshirt, some shorts. I'm gonna wear some flip-flops, and then under my sweatshirt I just have a t-shirt on. Ready to go? Are you ready to go? Gotta turn the lamp off. Gonna grab some Dr. Pepper to take. So we were doing okay on time until I realized that I have to get gas. So now I have to hurry. So So I actually just got out of my class. I didn't get to make an outro for you guys, but I hope that you enjoyed my morning routine for college and of a mom, because I am a college student and also a mom. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? Scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?